my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my decorate with me or a setup of my wrapping station. I have been kind of debating where to put it, and I think I had come up with a great spot. It's going to be the same spot as last time, and some of you had requested this video, so I hope you enjoy watching it because I wasn't sure whether I was gonna post it or not. I typically have some sort of a setup because I find that, you know, I pull out all of my Christmas wrapping stuff, I set it up, and then I see what I need. If I need to buy anything, add anything, and just little things like that, and get stuff used up as well if I have it. And my daughter uses it as well to wrap gifts for her friends. My husband and my son don't really use it, but I can just tell them, hey, go grab a gift bag. It's right there. They see it. They can get it. So I'm going to take you along for a setup. Then I'm going to give you a little tour and show you all the things that I have in it. So let's get started. So I think the table that I want to add is going to fit in here. This is in my like gym. There's my office, my rec room, just to kind of give you an idea where this is. So I'm going to try and see if that table that I have will fit in here. I think it should, but it's really heavy, so I'm hoping that it does fit. So I'm going to go get the table and set it up. So I got this table from my fruit seller. I've had it for ages. It's actually my father-in-law made it a long time ago, and we used to host big birthday parties for the kids when they were younger. So we have tons of tables like these around. So I am using this one. This particular one was extremely heavy, but it's very sturdy, which I thought would be good if we're going to be actually using it to wrap presents on top of it as well. But it's not very pretty, as you can see, so I picked up a vinyl tablecloth at Dollarama with some felt backing so it's doesn't move too much on the table, and added that just to make it a little bit prettier. It was the best color that they had. It's not necessarily my favorite, but I will make it work. I wanted to get a Christmas one, but the patterns and designs that they had I just did not love, so I went with a solid color, and I think this is gonna work. It is just a wrapping station. So now I went ahead and got all my stuff that I had left over from last year. There's wrapping paper, there's boxes, I've got Christmas cards, ribbons, cookie tins, cookie bags, and all sorts of stuff. And I went ahead and just organized everything, and I'm just using things that I have around the house, baskets, bins, and things like that, because I did not want to go out and buy all new organizing stuff for this wrapping station since it's so temporary. So I'm going to group things by like items, like what they are, and then I'm going to organize them like that as well. So I'm going to keep all the wrapping paper together, then I'm going to keep boxes together, bags and all that stuff. Just group them, like I said, by like items, and organize them that way as well. went ahead and put my gift boxes and my cookie tins in one basket, just because there wasn't too much of either to have its own basket. So let me give you a little overview of what's here. I think I have everything. I probably need to pick up a couple gift bags, and I don't have any tape. Pretty essential item to not to have. So I am using this little magazine holder. I thrifted this several years back. I've used it for different decor purposes. This year I didn't actually use it anywhere, so I thought it would be perfect to hold all the wrapping paper. So I think I have enough wrapping paper. And then I also have some of this foil. I like making gift baskets, so that will be perfect for that. And then I also have a couple sheets of different wrapping paper, some leftover from last year. Well, most of it is leftover from last year, but it's just different little patterns and stuff in case if nobody likes these wrapping papers. Then I have enough boxes here. I've got 2 and then a pack of 2, so 4 boxes. That should be enough. And then over here is like my gift cards. We do a lot of gift cards, so I might pick up more gift card holders. These are great. I picked these up at your dollar store with More and More last year, and I think these all came from Dollarama. I have a feeling. although it says $2.98, so maybe they were gifted from somebody last year. I always reuse them if I can. And then I have lots of cookie tin and boxes and bags, so I don't need any of that. I do like to share some cookies that I bake, so I have all of that. And then I thought I needed Christmas cards. Good thing I went and did this because I have lots. I have some homemade gift cards that I made, Christmas cards that I made, and then I have tons of other ones, so I don't need any of those. As well as the gift tags, I have plenty here, as well as some stickers, so I don't need any of that. And then I like to sometimes use ribbon. I don't love this one, but I know kids do, so I'll just leave that there. So I've got a couple. I always save all the ribbons that come from other gifts that I receive. If I can, I'll save it for crafts or for wrapping. And then I just have a couple other ones. This one's from Michael's, then dollar store ones, and then just some of these. I don't do too many bows, so I don't have any, but I might just buy a package of them just in case. And then I have lots of wine bags, which is what I always need over the holidays. We gift wine to clients, so it's always important to have lots of wine gift bags. I also, like I said, save those. And then for gift bags, I don't have a lot. I have a couple, like 3 or 4 of smaller ones, then a medium one and 1 large one. So I might pick up some of those. And I also stuck some tissue paper. I might pick up maybe some gold and red tissue paper as well, because I don't have any of those. And then here are just some scissors, a knife. I did put some packing tape in case if we like to reuse some Amazon boxes as well for sticking multiple gifts in, or if I'm mailing a gift or whatnot, I'll reuse those boxes. And then I got pens, and then I've got scissors and stuff. So like I said, I need to buy tape. And then I also have plenty of room to wrap smaller presents here. So I think this is going to work well. Let me know what you think. I would love to know if you guys create wrapping station, or if maybe I inspired you to do so. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.